Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, and you are so very welcome. I am a mother. I am a wife. I am a fashionista. I am a bra hat guru. Like some of you already know. I am an actress. Yes, darling. And I was once upon a supermodel winner. But above all else, I am a makeup addict. Yes, my darlings, and that is why you are what? That is why you are here. It's getting too long, this intro. Come on, Fumi, let's get with it. This episode is all about nudes. Not me being nude, but nude lipstick. I had done my iconic 10 red lipsticks, liquid lipstick lip glosses that you guys loved. And you said, Fumi, wait. What about the nude? Fumi, wait. What about the pinks? What about the purples? What about the browns? We're going to do it all. Starting with what? The nudes. The nudes go with everything. They just do. You know, you can get your eyes done, you can do a cheek, and you just have a nude lip. But we are going to start with what? Beauty Bakerie scrub. Delicious. What is this flavor? Because I have them all. This is sugar lip. Wait. Let me just, I think this is strawberry. Is this not strawberry that I got? Let me get my second pair of eyes and just check. Yes, this is strawberry, darlings. I have a discount code with them. Use this. It's so gentle. It's so gorgeous on the lip. When you put on any kind of lip, it when I tell you they're hollering at me, God is so good and merciful. So you take some of the scrub. Oh, it smells like heaven. And you scrub your lip. Just scrub it. Because this gets rid of all the dead. It just does. It really does. You know, all the build-up at the side of your mouth. Sometimes, you know, you get rid of all of that. Do this when you want to reapply your lip and you want to go out for the evening. You're coming from work, you're going to go and see friends. You want to kind of freshen up. These are the little tricks that I do, and it's fantastic. Take a wipe and wipe. Just wipe off all of that. And it takes off all the residue from your former lip, stick, gloss, liquid lip, especially liquid lip. Take it all off. There you go. And it's soft. Talking about Beauty Bakerie is going to be one of our first nudes. And this is Sinkerdoodle Lip Whip. Just look. It's one of the most beautiful nudes of all time. And it's a gloss. Just look at it. It's that pinky, fresh, young nude. That's just the only way I can describe it. I just feel so fresh with this gloss. It is so pretty. One of the prettiest nudes glosses that I have, period. Just look. It brightens up the face. That is what I was trying to find. It brightens up the entire face. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? Sinkerdoodle by Beauty Bakerie. Use my discount code for the scrub and the lip gloss. Everything. As I do it now, I just feel so yummy. I really do. And my lips feel plumped. They feel like the blood circulation is coming through. It's giving me the best when it comes to gloss. And that's all that you need. That is all that you want. That's all you need. You and your little gloss. Let's go to the next. I couldn't wait to wear it. And at the same time, I don't want to waste it because it's the only one I have. It is Penny. It is by Nyma Tang in collaboration with Dose of Colors. Dose of Colors, you have to bring this collection back, and it has to be a staple because it will be one of your best sellers ever, most especially when it comes to a woman of color. This is the best nude that I have ever had when it comes to a lipstick, when it comes to a lip gloss, when it comes to a liquid lip, because of the shade. There is no pink, there is no peach, there is no orange. This is brown. This is gorgeous. This is one of the most beautiful collaborations to date, and I say this because you say this about me. Anything Nyma Tang will do, anything that she will produce, create, I will buy. fabulous. I did an entire episode on her nude collection, and I also have her coral collection. Everything. Penny. Penny, penny, penny. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Color Stay Satin Ink 001. And I use the lip pencil by MAC Chestnut to go over it. It's a drugstore and it is quite cute. Live for this. Love the packaging also. Revlon does some really good nudes. I tell you that. I discovered this when I came into New York and I left my makeup bag at customs. I needed to have a face apart from the face that I have, and I said go with a nude. Again, go with a nude. It is safe, and that's how I discovered Color Stay 001. Are we living or are we living? Oh gee, just look at how just look at it. It's completely gone. MAC Naturally Transformed. Again, I'm using the MAC lip pencil, and this is Chestnut. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. These are my go-tos. I love the lipstick. I love the fact that it just does not build on the sides of my lip. It is my go-to every single time, and that is why it's literally done and finished. This is all that I have left. One of the top 10 iconic lip nudes, and it's not drying. How about that? It is not drying. Empathy, Colored Raine. It's the peach for me. It's the classiness for me. It's the 1960s vibe for me. I discovered this when they sent me this in PR, and I just could not let it go. And I top this on other lippies because it just gives me that lovely peachiness that I just did not know I could love in a nude. Discount code FUMI for Colored Raine. Beautiful. Beautiful. It makes me like wearing lipsticks again. For a very long time, I was lip glosses because I'm all about hydration, moisturization. I don't like my lips to be dry. I don't like them to be pulled in any direction. I don't like the buildup. I just want to be really looking cute and fresh without the touching up. This lipstick is gorgeous. You can eat, you can drink, you can have a full-on conversation with this. You're looking fabulous. You have that business meeting, take empathy. It shows empathy. As well as gorgeousness. Talking about nudes, talking about a little touch of peach, but it's really toned down, a very cool nude. Lady, Juvia's Place. There's nothing to be said. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Understated, classy, timeless-esque. That's the vibes it's giving me. Lady by Juvia's Place. Discount code FUMI. Of all the lips, if you're a nude girl, Lady. I am living for the lipsticks these days, and Lady does it for me. Yup. When I travel, I have about 3-4 nudes. London, NYX. Love this. I think this is like a pillowy, it's a cream. It's a cream. Soft matte lip cream by NYX. This is London. I live in London. Do you remember when they used to have like a whole row? And I know they had Dubai. I think they had Paris. And London is that nude for me. NYX. I love their matte liner. I use it a lot. NYX is not bad. When it comes to drugstore, you don't want to spend too much money. It is up there with the contenders. Yup. Gorgeous. Live for it. This, my darlings, is by Maybelline. It's a lip crayon. For those of you that have lips that bleed and the lipstick seems to spill out, use crayons. It works every single time. You just go on like a lip pencil, and this can also be a base to put on lip gloss. It stays, and that's why I live for this. I discovered this when I was in Paris. Paris has some makeup that we just don't see in London, that I just never saw in New York, that for sure I didn't see in California. And I was like, let me take a couple of lip crayons. The best, the best, the best, the best. It's easy to apply because you just trace it over your lip and you're good to go. And who doesn't love this pinky, nudish, beigey shade? It works for me. It works for what? For me. If it works for me, for sure it's going to work for you. So all of you girls that have those lips that bleeds a little, fret not, my darling. Mama Fumi is here to save the day. Joyride, Huda Beauty, Morphe Pink. It's very cool. You can trace your lip pencil around it. But I just love this with a gorgeous smoky eye. This is the component. It's pretty. It just works. It like totally works for me. And it's very creamy. Very, very creamy. Smooth. Glides on. And I feel that it stays on all day. You can eat, have your salads, and it will stay on. Huda Beauty did good with this. Yeah. Gotta give it to Kylie. Gotta give it to Kylie. Gotta give it to Kylie, baby. This is called Literally fell in love with her instantly. Literally. I love this shade. I will forever love this shade. I think I have bought this like 6 times. I kid you not. It is one of those beautiful, most opaque nudes ever. She did good with this. She did good with this. Just look at it. Ah, I live for. Yes, yes, and yes. Feline 316 L'Oreal. One of the sheerest nudes. You just want a little something, something. You don't want anything too prominent. You just want it to be just so. 316 L'Oreal. Highly impressed. Are we living or are we living? Is this not gorgeous? Just so simple. And like again, you can go with your blusher heavily, but it just whitens up your mouth. You just feel so kissably fresh. Drugstore. Freebird, Morphe. Another one. Fresh, light, not opaque, sheerish. Gives you that beautiful, fresh, kissable, mouthy feeling like Kylie. Morphe. Gorgeous, rosy, pinkish nude. I just love it. Sleek, 785, naked. The last but not the least. Beautiful. No pink. There's no pink in this. All beige. Really and truly naked. These are my nudes, darlings. Let me know in the comment section which ones you liked. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, to share. My beautiful Fumi Nation, and I will see you I will see you very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, my darlings. Total and absolutely nude addict. I'll see you soon, darlings. Love, love, love. Mwah.